Hi, I'm Karen. Anyway, so in this video today, I just kind of wanted to share some quick thoughts and then jump straight into the tutorial. I've been doing a lot of research on Pan That Palette and just kind of seeing how different people go about doing it. And I wanted to do something that was going to, one, be realistic for me, especially the way that I'm picturing in my head that I want to get in there and pound it out as far as creating looks. But I just don't want to create looks just to pan it out. I also want to create looks, test out this palette to see what kind of looks I can really create. And when I'm going out, I'll be like, oh, I remember that combo. I'm going to do that look, that kind of thing. And this is something, honestly, I want to highly encourage you. If you are not taking time to play around with your makeup and test out the eyeshadows and play around with looks, you won't really know what kind of look you want to do. I used to do this before I would go out and do makeup gigs. I would play around, do a look on me, and then it'll end up being the look that I would end up doing on the people when I got there, which I thought was pretty funny. So all I'm saying is get your practice in. Don't wait till you get ready to go out. So let's just go ahead and jump into it.